Hello everyone. I'll be honest, this is the second time I am doing this video. The first one I just looked like a mess, not like I look great now. I'm still dealing with the hot house. It's 86 degrees and I am freaking sweating, and I think it's just putting me in a weird mood. I cannot wait to go to a restaurant later and be in air conditioning. But anyways, today I am going to unbag again the lip service. So this is a lip balm subscription. And I'll admit, there was a treat in here and I already consumed it, but I'll tell you about it in a minute. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know, if you watched my video yesterday, it was a pure mystery bag unbagging, and I mentioned a code, and that code is working for everyone, and people are getting $8 off the deluxe bag. So I'm gonna link the video down below, so watch that and you can get details and everything. I just wanted to let you guys know that that code is working. And speaking of codes, I also have a 10% off code for lip service. So this is already a very affordable subscription. It's $5.95. So you can get an additional 10% off if you use my code KIDDIESBOXES. As always, all the information will be down below. But anyways, I am gonna make this quick so I can go and get like an ice bag or something. So I'm just gonna pull out the card. So it says time to celebrate. And then there's a little note on the back I'll read for you guys. It says, "We are thankful. This month, Lip Service is thankful to have reached some big milestones. We are celebrating with the Red Velvet Cake Lippie by Crucial Coast Organic Makeup and Skincare from Oakland, Maine. Check them out on Etsy." I will leave their link below. And then it says if you have Lip Service 2.0, which I discussed briefly in the first time I filmed this, so they are now offering a subscription for like $2.95 more, so like around $8 and something cents, and you get 2 lip balms a month. Instead of 1 like in this original that I have. So if you have Lip Service 2.0 with the 2 lippies, you get the Red Velvet Cake and also a peppermint lippie. And you can learn more on their website, which of course, like I probably said already, I'll link that below. And then they say, we also included an extra special gift to celebrate this month, a necklace with a tiny heart. Retail value of $6.95 to remind us all of what is important. Wear it alone or layer it. Either way, it will look amazing. Enjoy, Rebecca. And then there's a card in here as well that's for the company, the Etsy shop. And there's a code on the back. So I will leave the link below in this code if you want to check it out. So, is there a website? Yeah, there's a website, so I'll have that below. So there was a Tootsie Roll. It was an orange flavored one and I ate it. And it was good. I haven't had a flavored Tootsie Roll in forever, I was saying. And I was actually thinking about them the other day because someone I was watching said something smelled like a vanilla Tootsie Roll or something like that. And I was like, oh my god, I have not had those in so long. And then one appeared. Isn't that weird how that works? But anyways, so the lippie looks like this. And it is made with organic ingredients. It has bees by cocoa butter, coconut milk. Oh my god, coconut milk, coconut oil. Ooh. It smells good. It makes me want to eat something. But I love lip balm. I love getting these every month. I get another one, obviously, and I put them all over my house. They're always within reach, which is perfect, especially now that it's going to be colder months where you live. I don't know if it ever will get cold here. But you know, chaps lip season's coming. But look how cute this necklace is. I think I'm going to put this on. I love just like dainty little jewelry. And is that focusing? I don't think my camera's focusing. I don't know what's going on. Today is just full of weird shit. But if you can't see clearly, it's just a gold heart. And it looks like there's an adjustable strap. So super cute, super awesome. So besides that, like I said, there's a piece of candy, so I ate it. It was good. Sorry, I'm in just a weird mood today, but hopefully tomorrow I'll have air conditioning and I'll be look better, feel better, all that stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will of course see you tomorrow. Check out the links below, and if you haven't yet watched my pure mystery bag video, check that out. I started to do first impressions. So far I like it. I'll do a video. Someone suggested I try everything on, so I will do that. So thank you for the suggestion. I want to try new things on this channel. So if you ever have any other suggestions, guys, let me know. But anyways, I hope you are having a great day. Sorry I'm not very upbeat today, but hopefully it'll be a better day tomorrow. Bye.